Power of levels again in US crude 79.5. See 80.2 levels, it failed to break past by, we have discussed that 80.2, 80.3, very good resistance till 80.6 level exists, and see precisely achieving 80.2. We have seen a reversal in crude oil. Now it has again come to the support levels. Remember, it is also not yet reached 79.5 levels. We have seen that also, that only sell entry was below 79.5. Now also on the natural gas, now see net gas also beautifully failing to stay below 2.72 levels. It has seen a good rise but yet not reached 2.76 levels. So what to expect with the US session, which position we should take trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited, and hence do like, share, subscribe, comment, do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Remember, your every like, comment, share is a great support, motivation, inspiration for me to deliver on time, every time, to the best of my abilities twice a day. So do like, share, comment. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts for oil here. See, we have discussed that almost double top levels are seen. Now see, this time it is again formed a double top and now trading with a drop. See, it failed to break past 80.2 levels. That is very important. This was the critical resistance level that we have seen earlier, and now it is trying to trade. There are great support on the downside for oil. Remember, below 79.4 levels, 79.2, very good support, 79 the ultimate support. So even if it continues its downward journey, right now you can sell here at 79.4, but then 79.2, 79, and in fact 78.8. These are three major support levels at every 20 cents. Only and only if it stays below 78.8, we can expect 78.5 levels, and then 78 is the ultimate support. So this is how what we can see here right now. It is trying to stay in the box probably. Let's see if it gives a breakout here. Now if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped here. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is trying to trade bearish as of now. RSI is also looking downward. Look at 2-hour chart. Similarly, we are looking at it in the trading in the box as of now. So it has to come out of the box. You can sell at 79.4, but then be aware, be cautious, be alert. 78.8, 78.5. Very good support here. The stochastic is dropping. MACD is trying to see, MACD has crossed over here and now trying to trade with little divergence. This is the first red candle. Possibly it may continue with the downward for a while. RSI trying to trade with a negative bias. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts likewise, see almost flat top there, and that is why we can see a pull. Also one must note, see, first of all double bottom levels here, then higher lows. See, every candle, every move has a meaning. Now the support is seen at 79, 78.8. These levels should not be breached. Bearishness is confirmed if it stays below 78.5, that is for sure. Below that 78 levels, 78.2 levels are going to be the strongest. At any point of time, if you see it below 78, consider that as a breakout on the crash side. The stochastic looking down, trying to trade bearish. MACD is trying to convert. This is bullish here as of now. But see, on the MACD, if you look at the first wave, second wave, and this is the red part of this wave is going to start, and hence wait for the crossover. RSI flat there, coming to 4-hour chart. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, try to give a breakout here. Wait for 79.4 levels to be breached. Still, you will find every 20 cents as a great support, as long as, in fact, I will say 78.5 levels. You should be cautious. You should be just putting a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Remember, it can recover again. You have to note that point. The stochastic looking down. MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is almost flat. Coming to the daily. Now, an important formation on the daily chart. See, three tops, lower highs, and then this pullback. So possibly, see, if it stays below 79.4 level, more bearishness is going to prevail here. We can expect it to in fact drop till towards 79 levels, in fact 78.8. Now on the downside, one must observe that yes, these two candles double bottom and higher low. So support is seen at least as long as 78.8, 78.5 is respected. We have to be careful here. Now remember, on the daily charts, oil is yielding lower highs here and lower lows here. It is trying to trade in this channel. This is very important. The bottom of this channel is at 77. The top is at around 79.5 levels here. Sorry, 81 levels here. So as long as this zone is there, we have to be cautious, alert, watchful. Stochastic is rising here. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. Possibly we may see a convergence later on, or it can try to stretch the drop for a while, but yes, a convergence has to be there sooner or later. So even if it tries to drop today, it's at 78, 77 zone. If you see it there, possibly we can initiate a buying entry for there and expect it to rise later in this week. But then it is still a risky trade. Right now it appears a sell-in entry at 79.4 can be taken and a buying entry at 80.2 can be respected. On the upside 80.6, on the downside 78.8, 78.5. This zone is very very important for oil as of now. So do take caution within this zone and trade safely, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, before we proceed to gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at nat gas here on the hourly charts. First of all, it is retraced. It has given a gap up. That is very very important. It has given a gap up. Taken the support from the 20 period. Now moving averages are looking up. It is staying bullish. Now see, it has breached past the critical support at 2.76 and now trying to stay bullish. I will wait for 2.8 levels to be breached and then sky is the limit on net gas. Above 2.8, more bullishness may prevail. I will look forward to 2.88, 2.95 levels. See, you can find out MACD consistently moving upwards, looking upwards, and stochastic RSI, everything is looking upwards, trying to stay bullish here. Thus, more bullishness is going to prevail in net gas. We are already recommending buys since long for net gas. Now look at 2 hour chart. See, stronger bullish candle, flat bottom, now trying to rise. I will wait for the next candle also. That will give a clear direction, and hence, yes, as long as 2.76 is respected, possibly we can stay long. We can expect bullishness 2.8 levels, and beyond that, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. It has got further room for it to continue with the up move. Yes, it can. RSI looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour charts, after further bearish candles, see, this is the first greener candle. I will wait for the next candle, and definitely it can be a very strong bullish candle as well. I will first wait for 3, as long as 2.76 it respect, we are looking forward to 2.8 levels, and then 2.88, 2.9 levels can also be seen in a single day or couple of days. Stochastic rising, it is overbought, now trading near to the overbought zone. MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to 4 hours, similar observation. But remember one point, see, I have been mentioning a bias. I have told several times in last couple of weeks that as long as it respects 2.48, 2.5 level, do not treat natural gas as bearish and accumulate more as long as it stays 2.5. And see, I have mentioned specifically in last week also, and today's analysis also, 2.5, 2.52 is the level at which you should buy. This is the bottom here. This is a strong support zone. Accumulate as much as you can. And precisely what beautiful rise we have net gas has shown. This is the power of analysis. Now see, moving averages are looking upwards. It is trying to stay bullish. I will first look forward to 2.8 levels. Very very strong resistance here at 2.8. Then 2.83, then 2.88 levels. Yes, 2.8, it is greater resistance here. On the upside, beyond that, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic near to overbought zone, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, it has shown a swing, lower lows, higher highs. And as long as 2.76 is respected, possibly more bullishness may prevail here. I will wait for 2.8 levels to be breached now. Only about 2.8 is where the bulls will try to take over. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge on the daily charts, and RSI is also trying to look upwards. Now looking at this, see, as long as 2.76 is respected, I will expect a rise in net gas. We are looking forward to 2.8 levels. Once 2.8 is breached, that is the point at which you should expect that it is given a bullish breakout. Beyond 2.8, definitely more bullishness to prevail. 2.83, 2.88 are two levels which you should watch out for. And if it stays above these levels, remember we are looking at $3 levels in next few sessions itself for net gas. As long as 2.5 is respected on the downside, you should stay bullish in net gas. Very very clear. On the downside now, a selling entry can be taken at 2.72 levels. Below that, you can expect 2.68, 2.65 as the two major support levels. And if it breaks below 2.65, that is the point at which it will try to turn bearish, else it will stay bullish and it can bounce back, it can rally again any point of time. So take your positions accordingly, sell at 2.72 and buy at 2.76. Even in fact, You have to exercise extra caution. Here, yes, it can stay bullish, but there are near term resistances at 2.78, 2.8 zone. Very, very strong resistance at 2.8. Hence, only if you see it staying above 2.8, more bullishness is going to prevail. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals challenge. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do stay tuned with the next update before the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Thank you.